giving and receiving direction in Lingala part 1 to compass direction. In compass direction we have 4 points: east, west, north and south. So east in Lingala is called Monyele, west is called Limbe, north is called Likolo, while south is called Nze. Now, northeast is called Likolo Mpe Monyele. Likolo Mpe Monyele. Northwest, Likolo Mpe Limbe. Likolo Mpe Limbe. Southeast, Nze Pe Monyele. Nze Pe Monyele. While southwest is called Nze Pe Limbe. Nze Pe Limbe. Se Pe Limbe. Se or Nze, how you'll pronounce it, but N there is silent. Se Pe Monyele. Se Pe Limbe. Good. We have longitude. Longitude is called Botangi ya Bolai. Latitude is called Bolangi ya Bonene. Degrees is called Mutuya. Coordinates is called Bisika. Nice. Examples in sentence. Ndako nanga eza na Mutuya ya zomi na misato na likulu ya ebale ya Zaiwa. My home is 30 degrees to the north of River Zaire. Right. Part 2 is giving direction. Let us look. We have finished with compass direction. Now, here we are going to look at giving direction. Giving direction, we are starting with, someone may use a term far. It's called Mosika. Ndako nayo eza Mosika. Your home is too far or is far. Very far, Mosika mingi. Ndako na you eza Mosika mingi. Not far, Mosika te. How far? Mosika boni. How far is your house? Mosika boni ndako na yo. Near, pene pene. But other people usually use pembeni. Distance is called ndaka. Taka. Under, nanse. Nase. Below. Under. Up. Na likulu. Above. Over. Likulu. Then the sky. Between. Kati. Inside. Na kati. Bana bazali na kati ya ndako. Children are inside the house. In. Te. Te. Outside. Libanda. It should be na libanda. So outside. Toza na libanda. We are outside. Backstroke behind. That is sima. Before libuso. In front of na libuso. Bakundeli nga maseke ya meme na liboso ya lopango. They have buried the horns of the sheep in front of my house. That is, we are remembering Bavon Mari in the song, in his song called Maseke ya Meme. Frango's younger brother. Position, place, Esika. We can call it Bisika. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. We have river. River is called Ebale. River Zaire. Ebale ya Zaiwa. Road, Zela or Balabala. Tarmac road is called Nzela ya Gurdu. Maram road is called Nzela ya Mabele. Footpath is called Nzela ya Makulu. Hill, mountain. Hill stroke mountain. Ngomba. In the song of Okay, that we'll talk about it later. Lake is called Liziba. Desert, Esobe. Desert is Esobe. Forest, Zamba. Ocean stroke sea, Mbu. Village, Mboka. Naza boss ya Mboka. I'm the boss of the village. Town, Engumba. Tree, Nzete, Rumwete. Haba, at the harbor, Libongo. Beach, Libongo Lianzelo. Border, Ndelu. Camp, Boma stroke Nganda. Bridge, Gwagwa, or we can call it Italaka. Right hand, Loboko ya Mobali. Left hand, Loboko ya Mwasi. Right side, Mopanzi ya Mobali. Left side is called Mopanzi ya Mwasi. Liteo yu eza litea Molakisi Branadira. Subscribe na YouTube nanga